Good morning mga ka-PBH. We are here at Sundance Blue Water, Cabangan, Zambales. We will do the plastic bottle hunting today. Kasama ko yung aking family. Thank you Lord for this moment. Wala akong masabi, I'm so excited. We will do the plastic bottle hunting here along the coastline. Sorry. We'll do the plastic bottle along the coastline. Sasamahan nyo kami. Let's roll!
Woo! Yes. Let's move on! Go!
Tara!
Game!
Look at my son. He is part of this plastic bottle hunting also. Grabe, lakas ng alon. Go, get it, Kuya Jiro.
Ay na, lagay mo dun sa kay Kuya Joe.
Put inside the plastic bag.
Ay, lagyan dito. Tayo na po.
Dami na agad.
Dito kami kaya, di ka tayo dalawa pa.
Gusto kong kuhanan nito. Look, yan yung tinatawag nating reuse, yung plastic bottles or repurpose. Yan. Very good. Kuya Francis, come here. There you go. With just a short walk, madami na kami nakuha. Grabe, lakas ng alon. Pero enjoy. Kung hindi ka man makapag-swimming, mag-plastic bottle hunting. Another one. May natatanaw ako. Malaking bote nando dun. Actually, aside sa mga plastic bottles, marami ka rin makikita mga glass bottles na nakakaalat. With the starfish, plastic din siya.
Job.
Ayun, kay Kuya Botong, oh.
Sa tabing dagat talaga niya tinatapon. Pwede naman nilang itapon.
Sama mo yun. Job is removing the sand inside the plastic bottle kasi mabigat yan. That's enough, anak. Magandang na-involve natin yung mga bata sa ganitong activity para at early stage alam na nila kung ano yung dapat gawin sa mga plastic bottle waste. Oh, ang daming crab. Wala na, it's dead crab. Enjoy ang plastic bottle hunting. We did a short walk, I think around 1 kilometer walk, pero kung makikita nyo yung bitbit ng anak ko tsaka nung kapatid ko, halos na puno namin yung plastic bag. Puno namin yung lagayan namin halos. Okay, ayan, tapos na kami mag plastic bottle hunting. We walk around a kilometer, no? Pero kung makikita nyo, ang dami namin nakuha ang plastic bottles. Ayan, no? Halos na puno namin yung 2 plastic bag na dala namin, no? If you do the math, the computation, a short walk, pero ang dami namin nakuha. Ibig sabihin, kung hahabaan natin yung ating paglalakad and pangungulekta ng plastic bottle, mas marami pa tayong makukuha. Ibig sabihin, ganun nakarumi, ganun nakapolluted ang coastal lines natin, no? So we have to be aware of that, no? Again, thank you Lord for this activity. Thank you Lord for the safe ride going here and also going back home. Please protect us. Thank you for my family for participating in this activity, you know. Pinagpawisan kami doon sa paglalakad namin na yun, no? Nakapag-exercise din kahit papaano. Thank you mga ka-PBH. This is Jun Balbin signing off. Bye!